Start by putting your knees on the box that the ladder inserts into. Bend forward and try to get your body flat on the rungs of the ladder. It will be weirdly easy to balance in this position. Then, pull yourself up the ladder, making sure to use 2 hands at a time so that your center of gravity stays at the middle of the ladder. Yes, this is as uncomfortable as it looks, but if you want to win, it's the easiest way and it's totes worth it.